of this thing down. So I can do that with these manual controls over here. Okay, so I have single axis control, which basically I can move each tower independently in the X and Y direction. And in general, you don't want to do that because that'll kind of give them different starting points. So you might have some weird cockeyed thing where you're cutting a straight section, but you're kind of doing it like this instead of doing it like that. But this can be useful if for some reason you mess it up and you need to put it back to 0, which I usually do just by measuring, here and here, and trying to make sure that they're about the same. So what you do want to use is the manual control here, which is just, you just move x-axis forward, or x-axis back, y-axis up, y-axis down. So we're just going to move the y-axis down here. It's about the center of that piece of foam. And now, again, I'm probably going to want to run the file really quick just to make sure that, I'm not going to hit anything when I go around. Let's just do that. Now, see? It's got that lead in. That's not good.
Does it always have to drop a couple inches or something?
No, you actually set that up here in the setup machine. You can use, like, there's this basically checkbox. You say use lead in, lead out cut, and you can change how much you want it horizontal or vertical. So I'm actually, that's a good point. I'm just going to do a 1-inch horizontal, so I don't have to worry about this anymore. And if you're on this machine setup screen, never click reset defaults because it changes all these pin assignments, which are basically what serial pins control this thing, and it's kind of a trial and error thing that we need to get back if we mess it up. So I suppose maybe we should write it down. Screenshot.